Here the sum given is A is to B is 2 is to 3, B is to C is 5 is to 2, and C is to D is 3 is to 4. If A plus D is 72, then B is what? The options given are 45, 30, 60 and 36. Here, firstly we'll take this term A is to B and B is to C here, and then we'll write its respective values, that is 2 is to 3 and 5 is to 2. Right? Now, in both these terms, B is a common term, that is this 3 and this 5. So, to make the B similar, what we do is multiply this 5 with this term as 2 is to 3 multiplied by 5, and multiply this term, that is 3, with this, that is 5 is to 2 multiplied by 3. So what we get is 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 3 is 15, 5 into 3 is 15, and 3 into 2 is 6. Right? This is A is to B and this is B is to C. Here this B and this B, we've made it similar, that is 15 and 15. Now we'll do the same thing with C is to D, that is 3 is to 4. So we take both these terms and we will find a common one, which is C in both of these, and we will make it similar. So here C is to D is 3 is to 4, B is to C is 5 is to 2. Here C is common, that is 3 and 2. We have to try and make it a common term. How we will do that is 3 into 2 is 6. So to make it 6 here, what we do is 3 is to 4 should be multiplied by 2. And here to make this 6, what we do is 5 is to 2 should be multiplied by 3. How did we do that? So 3 into 2 would be 6. That is why this term is multiplied here and this term is multiplied here. So now what we get is 3 into 2 is 6, 4 into 2 is 8, 5 into 3 is 15, and 3 into 2 is 6. So here this B, that is 15, is common. Here this C, that is 6, is common. So what we get is A is to B is to C is to D, that is 10 is to 15 is to 6 is to this 8. Now it is asked that A plus D is 72. How is that 72? So here A plus D is given. So A we have found, which is 10, and D we have found, which is 8. Now we do not directly take the ratio numbers as exact values of A and D. We need to put a constant because we don't know what this actual number means. So what we will do is A equals to 10x and D equals to this one, that is 8x. Now here, which means putting the values in this equation, what we get is 10x plus 8x equals to 72, that is 18x equals to 72, that is x equals to 72 by 18, or you can directly solve it here by cutting 18 ones and 18 fours. So here what we get is x equals to 4. We have found the value of x. So here we have to find b. So b given is 15. So we will assume that b equals to 15x. Therefore 15 into 4, that is this value of x kept here, what we get is 60, and this would be our answer, that is option number C.